Stuff here. We got a traffic light. You might have saw this on a pole, but it's very huge. And guys, yeah, there's a hook. And guys, I was just wondering what these are. What will happen if you unscrew this? So I think we're gonna try it. I don't even know what these things do, so I'm just going to unscrew it and see what it does. I don't know if it will open this thing up but I was always scared to unscrew this because I'm scared of lens or visor or something could fall off. But guys, I'm going to actually try it now. Let's unplug it because there could be tons of wires. I never ever seen inside of a traffic light. So guys, I never ever seen in a traffic light in my whole life. Never ever. So see what's inside of this. This is fresh off a pole. But oh gosh. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. Oh. There's the hook. Alright guys, oh my goodness. Alright, I'm scared. Alright guys. Whoa. This is opening up. Gosh, I never seen such a thing. Look at that. Alright, yeah, there's wires. Alright, let's open. I'm scared to open it up. Alright, since these are unscrewed, maybe we can open it up. Whoa, it almost fell fast. See what I mean? Hold, let me set this down. Alright, guys, so I just paused the camera on blue, green, yellow, and red. But let's see. Alright, let's see what's inside. Guys, I don't want to do it in the middle because I'm just scared. I don't know what will happen. But let's see what's inside of a traffic light. I think we should do it. Alright, so we'll do it in the red. Alright, I know nothing will fall apart. Alright, let's see what's inside the red light. Alright. This is the first one I'm seeing inside of a traffic light. Mine. Alright. Ready? What the heck? That's pretty cool. No, that's pretty cool. I never knew it was going to be like this. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my goodness, it just really has a red and white wire. Well, there's a cord. Oh my goodness, guys, this is a success. I never seen inside of a traffic light. But if you guys never seen one either, that's what's inside of one. But here's the light bulb. So a light bulb inside of here is 60 watt. My dad changed the light bulbs in here. Here, guys, I'll show you something. When we first got this traffic light, my dad, these bulbs were in it. When we first got the light, guys, these bulbs were in it. 135 watts, but these bulbs are in it. When we first got the traffic light, but yeah. And then my dad must have replaced them with just regular light bulbs. But I never ever see what's inside of a traffic light. This must be a reflection plate that reflects the light onto this lens. Oh, that feels so cool, guys. So remember, guys, maybe we'll set up a little thing on commenting area. You comment me. Maybe we can set up where you guys can come and see what's inside of this and see in real life. But this is, I don't know what, this feels so cool, this thing. But guys, this is a success. I was not expecting for this to be in here, but this is crazy.
Bust that glass open and be in that.
Yeah, so that was pretty cool, guys. It's pretty pretty cool.
I wanted to make sure there was enough
Let me close this thing.
power. You know, I said,
Well,
tap it into the outlet.
I'm supposed to have a traffic light.
Small one is okay. It's all you need is the lights, but hey, why not make it enough so we don't have to-
Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos and peace out.